Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Cafe. So in this video tutorial we will work on this my post option in the nav bar. The user will be able to see all of his own post over here. Okay, so let's start our work. So first we will create a file and we will save this file in the main folder social network, and we will name this as my underscore post dot php, and that's it. And then we will copy all of this code from the home.php file and we will just paste it over here. We will remove this div, this HTML tag, and the title will be my post, and that's it. And now inside this div we will open up a div and close that div. The div class will be core-sm-12. Then we'll open up a center tag, close that center tag, and then an h2 tag. Then we will type your latest post. We will show the user's latest post, and then user underscore post. So we will I just call this a function. So first we will just so we will just create this function on our functions.php file. Okay, and the function name will be user underscore posts. So we will create this function below this single underscore post. So we will create this function over here. So we will type function, the function name is user underscore post brackets, and now first we will need to global the connection variable, and after this we will add an if condition. If I set dollar underscore get, and then the u underscore id. First we will need to get the user id from the URL. So for that we will just create a variable u underscore id. It will be equals to dollar underscore get, and then the user underscore id variable. And after this if condition, we will create a variable run underscore posts. It will be equals to a query, and the query will be select all from the post table, where user underscore id will be equals to the variable $u underscore id, and order by 1, and we will take in the descending order because we want the latest post, and its limit will be 5. We will take the 5 latest post of that user, and then we will type a variable, create a variable run underscore post. It will be equals to mysqli underscore query, and then the connection variable and get underscore posts variable. After this we will create a while loop, while row underscore post is equals to mysqli underscore fetch array. Then we will pass the variable run underscore posts, and we will add a curly brackets, and first we need to get is the post id. Then we will get the user id, and then the content of that post or image of that post, and then the post date, like this. Okay, so I just pause the video and type all of this. So after this, uh, what we will get the user name and then the user profile image. So for that, what we will do is to create a variable $user, and it will be equals to a query. The query will be select all from the table users, where user underscore id will be equals to the variable $user underscore id, and post will be equals to yes. Add a semicolon. After this, we will get a variable run underscore posts, and or no, not post, run underscore user. It will be equals to my mysqli underscore query, then the connection variable, and then the user variable, and after that the row underscore user, and then my mysqli underscore fetch array, and then we will pass the $run underscore user variable. After this, we will get the username, so we will type run underscore post, and then the user underscore name, and then the user profile image. So user underscore image will be equals to $row underscore user, and change this one to user, and then run underscore oh shit. Okay, so we will take the user profile image from the database. So for that, we'll type user underscore image. So after this, what we will do is to create an if condition. If I set $underscore get, and then the u underscore id, and we will take the user id from the url $underscore get, and then the u underscore id. And after this if condition, we will create a variable run underscore posts, and then a query select. We will now select only the user underscore email. I will tell you why we are writing all of this code once we have just done our code over here. So now let's just see what I am doing, and then where user underscore id will be equals to $user underscore id, and after this we will create a variable run underscore user, and it will be equals to mysqli underscore query. We will pass the connection variable, and then the get underscore posts variable. After that, we will get a variable row, and it will be equals to mysqli underscore fetch array, then pass the run underscore user variable, and now we will get the user email. So user underscore email, and then user, then we will create a variable user, and then $underscore session, and then the user underscore email. Then we will get a variable get underscore user. Let's just change this to get underscore user and this one to get underscore user, or just get user will be good. Okay, so now get underscore user will be equals to select all from the users table where user email will be equals to the variable dollar user, and then we will create a variable run underscore user and it will be equals to mysqli underscore query. Then we will pass the connection variable and the variable name get underscore user, and dollar row will be equals to mysqli underscore fetch array, and the run underscore user variable. After this we will get the user ID and then the user email. And now we will add an if condition. So if $u underscore email is not equals to the variable $user underscore email, then what we will do is to just echo the echo and then a script, and inside the script we'll type window.open my underscore post.php u underscore id will be equals to the variable user underscore id, and then underscore self. That's it. And then we will type else, and now inside this else condition we will show the post of that user. So before we do that, if we just scroll up, we will need to change this brackets, this one also, and then this one and this one. Okay, so now all the code is now good, and now over here we will show all of the post. So for that what we will do is to scroll up, and we will just copying from this else condition and then this else if and this if condition. We'll just copy all of this, and we will paste this code in the else condition. Where is it, our function? Okay, over here, user underscore post, and here is the else condition, and we will just paste it over here. And now if we just save this and refresh our page, and if we go to the my post is now 3. Okay, so here is my latest post, it is now showing 3, and if I just post something else, and just click post. Here is our post, and now this number is changed to 4, and here is my latest post. Okay, so now my post option is now working. So I think we are halfway home. Our social network is now 90% completed. Our messaging system, find people, edit account, my post, and all of that. And in the upcoming videos we will work on our search query. Okay, we will create this results.php file, and we will allow user to search some post. And the next thing is the forgotten password. Okay, we will allow user to change to, if the user forgot their password, we will allow them to change their password. Okay, so in the upcoming videos we will do all of that work. So thank you guys for watching, and subscribe our channel Coding Cafe and press the bell icon.